Travel and expenses covered by Warner Brothers.
Good morning, birdies. It's not morning. Can we just take this in for a second? That is my freaking view at the moment. Wow. So I'm pretty hungry, and I was looking for the room service menu, and it's on this phone, which was like right there, but I ordered through this, so. Wow, cool. My food has arrived. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Holy smokes, what the heck? That looks incredible. And they just gave me like a random coconut to drink. I guess it's a part of the meal. Dang. Wow, this smells and looks great. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I'm so tired. Although the first class experience was amazing, I think being at the front of the plane caused for a bit more turbulence, like the most I've ever experienced, and I've flown a lot, but the entire time my body was like rattling to the point where my stomach was getting sick after eating something because it was like just shaking about. So I didn't sleep too much on the plane. I would have liked to have slept more, but right when I got to my hotel room, I just passed out. I didn't finish Vlogmas until later and sent it off to Lena, but like I slept for maybe 5 hours and I'm still pretty tired. But I want to go to the gym because it closes in like an hour. I follow this guy named Alex Acosta, and he's like a men's fashion YouTuber, Instagrammer. He does all these different things. And whenever he travels, he always makes sure he gets a workout in. And I always think that's so inspiring because that's the last thing that you want to do when you travel. So I'm just going to push myself today, get back, call an early night, try and fix my sleeping schedule, and hopefully get back on track. Wow. How cool is this? This is a locker room. It's my stomach. How cool is that? That's a water slide. And that's the pool. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Wow. Alright, I have less than 50 minutes to work out, so I'm gonna do some cardio and then maybe a little bit of weights. We'll see. Finished! Woo! Let's join me.
Yay! Workouts.
Okay, we're gonna go sleep for like 6 years. Yeah. What's for dinner? Whoa, this is a vegan barbecue. I didn't want to eat something too big before I go to bed. Ignore the creme brulee. It's not too big at all. It's just enough. This is like pumpkin and endive and kale. I don't know, sounded good. Wakey, eggs and bacon. This jet lag is just destroying me little by little. I like went to sleep, woke up at 2, then woke up at 5. So it's the next day. And yesterday was just kind of a boring day because I was sleeping half the time, catching up on work. So most of my time just in bed, not even awake. But that's just how kind of a travel day is, like a post-travel day. If I have time to acclimate, I just sleep because I'm tired. No matter like what seat you fly in, traveling is like just extremely taxing on the body, especially leading up to your trip. By the time you get to wherever it is you're going, even if it's vacation, you're just like tired. So that's what yesterday consists of. But I thought I would end this vlog because it's a little bit short with showing you guys what I packed. Because if you remember a couple days ago, John had told me I needed 4 outfits and 2 business casual outfits. Well, this is what we got. Probably a bit too much, but it's always good to have options. Am I right, people? Can I get an amen? Amen. So I've already worn one of my leggings and I have some on today, but here are all of my leggings that I'll be wearing this week. I also want to like work out in some of these too, but it is Wednesday and I am here until Monday. I hope this is enough. Wait, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's just enough. It's just barely enough. Here are my fancy shirts for business casual. This is cosplay though. This is my Harley Quinn. It goes with my Harley Quinn jacket, which is hanging up. Here are my tank tops for working out. Here are my different jackets. Shout out to John for basically putting all of these outfits together. The day before I left, I was just a mad woman and he organized all of this for me. Also, shout out to Lena because she let me borrow a lot of her clothes. And then you have my hoodies that will just kind of layer over jackets or whatever, and my pajama pants that are up there, which I'll probably work out into. But yep, this is everything. Let me show you my shoes. These are the shoes that I brought. Wonder Woman 1984 is in the 80s, of course. Oh, I stuff my socks in my shoes when I travel. It's just like more compact way of traveling. And I have these guys, and they're just like really fun and all gold and pretty and cute. Remind me of Wonder Woman, so I figured I'd wear those. And you can't go wrong with a pair of just solid white shoes. I feel like that can kind of go with everything. These are my fancy girl shoes when I gotta be fancy. And then these are also, they feel very 80s, but you know, they're just fun. They're also good to work out in. I feel like 4 pairs of shoes is definitely way too much for a trip, but hear me out. I'm a shoe person. If you know me, you know I'm a shoe person. I love my shoes and I love the way they go and complement my outfits. Like all my friends can attest to this. Like I'm always like on my shoe game. So whenever I travel, it's really hard for me just to pack 1 pair of shoes. So let me know in the comments down below, when you travel, how many pairs of shoes do you pack? Oh, I also have flip-flops that I'm wearing right now. So always gotta bring my flip-flops. So I need to start getting ready because my day is starting very, very soon. So tomorrow's vlog is gonna be action-packed. Wait for that, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Just a few things. If you have been enjoying Vlogmas, will you do me a huge favor? When you watch my videos, will you make sure you like and comment? When you upload daily on YouTube, it doesn't it's not the best for your channel. The algorithm is just really weird all the time. So I'm posting very frequently, and the algorithm is like, oh, do people like these videos? If they don't, then they'll start showing you less and less of my content. It's just, it's stupid for me to even have to ask you guys to do this, because I want you to just do what you want. It's definitely very encouraging for me to see that you guys are definitely liking the content, and it helps the algorithm know that like you guys are too, so it keeps recommending my videos. Lastly, I posted a gaming video on this channel on Monday, if you don't mind, or Tuesday, if you don't mind going and liking that. I'm giving away 2 or 4 game codes, 2 for the PC and 2 for Nintendo Switch. It's a really fun game, I had a great time playing it. I talked about it on day 1 of Vlogmas. That's the video I was doing. It could use a little bit of love, so if you could do your girl a solid, just go comment, like that video, I would really appreciate it. If you comment, that's how you can enter to win a code to get the game. But yeah, that's it. I'm excited to show you guys my time in Brazil. This is so dope. Whew. My hand is tired from holding my food up. What does that tell you about me? What does that tell you? She's weak. Just kidding. I'm fatigued. There's a difference. Oh, last note, the advent calendar is on hold until I get back to LA, and so is my shiny hunting, which I am still recording all of, and I'll catch you guys all up to date once I get back. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new Vlogmas. Bye!